Obviously, I'm the first non-Egginton to run Sotech, which is both a huge honor, but a huge area of responsibility, right? My name's Jon Symonds, I'm the CEO, and I joined on the 1st of July, 2025. The opportunities are endless for what we can achieve, and I believe that Sotech can double in size in the next 5 years. Obviously, I'm the first non-Egginton to run Sotech, which is both a huge honor, but a huge area of responsibility, right? And I think one of the things that attracted me to John and Christine was I have a different way and a different view of running businesses because I've worked in other industries. I come from a corporate world that comes naturally to me. So if we can see it, we can plot it, we can achieve it. That's the first thing. The second thing is the leadership team are already working well together, but if we can align behind driving that strategy, we will achieve it. The third thing is it has to be done on a values-driven culture base. And it's not just about Sotech, it's about our employees, it's about our clients, it's about our suppliers. It's about the whole process. So if you take the people that work here, the technical experience, the know-how, so really think about that, a Rainscreen facades company that's been leading the market for 40 years. I would suggest just counting the 12 longest people that have worked here, we've probably got close to 300 years of combined experience in Rainscreens and facades. We have trained and develop some outstanding people that are now out there working for other companies off the back of what they've learned at Sotech. And of course they've contributed to us, but that's what we do. We develop people, we train people because we try to pioneer and be innovative in the market. And that's why we are constantly fighting the battle of trying to stop people from poaching them. But with the right culture and the right values, people will stay. When you come into a business where people have literally worked for 30 years, you learn a lot, right? Because you see what loyalty looks like. So in this business, I see a lot of loyal people. If you cut them open, they bleed Sotech, they're proud of where they work. That's inspiring as a person coming in. We've got people from the shop floor all the way up to the exec that would give everything they've got for Sotech. So as a leader, it's all there. I've just got to put it all together, get it formatted in a way that, as I said, if we all pull together, nothing can stop us. That's why we have a 5-year strategy, to continue to innovate, continue to pivot, continue to stay ahead of the market. To that end, specification sales, we've got a big announcement that an architectural facade manager will be joining us. He's got a master's in facades, which is huge, brings technical experience and knowledge. And we also have a specification manager who's currently under offer, and I'm very confident that he will accept. So there's 2 new people coming deliberately to drive this market. But they also bring other things to the table. They've got experience in other products in Rainscreen facade, core industry, that we can utilize those skills as well. So we've just launched a couple of products. We've recently launched Optima BrickTech and Optima FlatFix, very exciting products, fully tested of course, because we do all our testing internationally and local, so important to note. We've also got a new clip plank coming out and a new interlocking plank coming out. That's coming out in the next couple of weeks. I can share that. We have got a new product that we're very excited to be launching later on this year. I can't say what it is for obvious reasons. Some of our key clients already know what we're doing. They've already expressed huge excitement at what we're doing, and I believe that that product alone will be a huge boost to Sotech performance reputation in the market and enhance our overall standing in Rainscreens facades and what we're about to do, because it complements. I think that the thing about Sotech is you need to understand what the principles of Sotech are built on, right? So we don't just manufacture behind me. Not only do we go and talk to the architect and come up with solutions, but ultimately we will make the product, we will ship it to site, and it gives you such a thrill, and it does, because I used to do external wall insulation for my previous company. There's nothing more thrilling than driving down the road and thinking, we did that, and it's awesome, right? And everyone in this business, from the shop floor down, gets that experience when they drive past something. Somebody asked me the other day, what does Sotech do? And I said, you work in Strawberry Lane, right behind the stack. And they went, so? I said, we did all the facades in that building. And they're like, all the strawberries. I was like, that's right, we did it. And they're like, wow, awesome. There's a lot of people in this company that care passionately about this company and want it to succeed. I think we had some challenges when I was a non-exec in the business. Those challenges have been overcome. So I think the level of commitment, the desire to succeed is probably the overwhelming feeling that gives me warmth and hope and confidence that this business is fantastic.